What up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a perfect airplane. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so what you want to do is you take the paper, you take one end, fold it down to the point where it's like this. See the whole paper? Look over here. The whole paper, and it's like this. Okay? You want to fold it down for a perfect crease. Okay, once you do that, you fold it down for a perfect crease. Then you take your other half, fold it down the same way, just make sure it's still a perfect crease. And we actually will take a nice thing. Alright, now what you want to do with this is you want to take this part right here where the creases are made, take it and fold that to the point where you see another triangle, but it's different. So it wants to look like this. It wants to look this shape. Alright, so alright, then you want to do the other side the same way till it forms another perfect shape. Same shape, both sides, perfect. Alright, then what you want to do, you fold it in half like you would do with a regular airplane. Fold it in half. If you follow my directions exactly how I say, this plane should turn out perfect. You see, I'm like using printer paper, so it's best with printer paper. If you want to fold it in half the way it looks like this, like this, like this. Looks like this together. See? It looks like that. So it's going to look like another one. Alright, so then the rest pretty simple. What you do is you fold this back from down here, fold it down like this, and then crease it. Nice crease. Make sure it's nice and tough. So it's gonna look like, if you turn it this way, it's gonna look like I already done playing. But you want to do the other side the exact same way. Now it's gonna be a little harder for printer paper, so I suggest regular paper. And if you don't see how I'm doing this, because I might be doing this a little too fast, but it should turn out perfect. Alright, so then, as you should do, your front should be perfect as well. So what you want to do is and put it behind it. That way, if you blow on it, the air goes evenly on the front, the top of the plane, and the bottom of the plane. And I will show you guys how this plane flies. This is exactly how the plane looks together, if you can see that. Alright, now I'm going to throw it over there. I'm going to show you guys how it flies. Alright, so keep looking over there. I'm going to throw it. You ready? 1, 2, 3. If you've seen that, I'm actually going to do it again. But yeah? Sorry guys, my uncle. Alright, so let's try it again. I want to get you guys from your view. I want to throw the plane. You ready? Alright, throw. Have you seen that? It kind of glide into the chair. So that's my video for today. Thank you guys. Please subscribe right there, hopefully, and like. Thank you. Bye.